Top cryptos to be adding to your portfolio in the month of May 2026. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope that you're all having a great day. Fed Chair Powell, he did his last speech today at the FOMC. We're now in a brand new era, and I think that it's great that we're getting a brand new Fed chair. All right, something new, something fresh, and we're gonna hop into it. All right, so let me go to my share screen over here. All right, let me see if this you guys can see what I'm showing over here real quick. Let me see. Let me know in the chat if the microphone's good, if everything is good right now as well. Okay. All right, cool. I think you guys can see this, right? Aero Hub. Here we go. Let me know if you guys like the layout as well. I'm making all of these custom for every single project that we're talking about. So we got the Aero Hub, PENGU Hub, Virtual Hub, Solana, and Hyperliquid, and Tau. We're going to talk about Tau as well. Okay. And if you guys want to join the #1 community in crypto for $19 a month, it is vilos.io. You guys can go sign up right here, 7-day free trial. Go join us over there. Go join our super active community. We already have more messages up in there right now. So we're going to talk about Tau first. So basically, Tau's coming in at like $254, I believe. Let me just open up that. Yeah, $254. Okay, looking pretty good. Last 7 days, it's kind of chopping sideways a little bit. 3-month chart on Tau. All right, it's very, very strong. It's kind of steadily climbing up and to the right with some like little pullbacks here and there. If we go check it out. All right, the 24-hour high, Tau actually reached like a few hours ago. It was at 265. And you can see as well that 9.5 million Taus are already in circulation. Okay, so the biggest headlines for Tau right now, DTau architecture rolls out. Every subnet now has its own A token market. So validators stake into individual subnet pools with A token prices reflecting subnet emissions and demand, the big shift in Bittensor economics. Okay, the subnet count crossed 128. So new subnets are launching weekly. Compute, data, inference, dominant, the registration cost burn schedule. Okay, and these are the biggest subnets in Tau right now. So biggest subnets, Shoots, Targon, all this stuff. Okay, so that is basically the Tau stuff. If we go over here real quick, let me go over to Tau stats. Oh, I gotta verify I'm a human being. Okay, so Tau stats, here are the biggest subnets. Let's go over by market cap. All right, we're gonna filter this. Let's go to, market cap. Shoots is the biggest one. Then Targon, Liam, Fine. Okay, I might be investing in some subnets. I don't know, like about you guys. Like, what do you guys think about the Tau subnets? I might buy a couple altcoins that are on the Bittensor blockchain. They look kind of interesting. If we go over here, Hyperliquid Hub. So Hype is coming in at 39.93. All right, it kind of traded between 40.80 and 39.15. You can see that there's quite a bit of volume with Hyperliquid, 4.86 billion. Okay, the website looks still really clean. You know, in my current location right here, I can't access it without a VPN, but it's I do use it quite a bit. I think this is one of the best investments that you can make, not financial advice, but that you can make in this coming cycle, because it's the dominant perpetuals exchange. Perps are just getting more and more popular. As you guys can see, another update, on-chain order book DEX backed by its own L1 with 200,000 transactions per second. Same user experience as Binance, fully transparent on-chain. Yeah, so It's not a centralized exchange, it's a decentralized exchange. That's why I like Hyperliquid so much. And the Hype token, 70% to community, 0% to VCs. And the fee share model is live. So protocol fees flow to Hype buybacks and assistance fund. Largest fair launch in DeFi by capital captured. So it's fair launch as well. Daily volume crossing 4 to 6 billion. Hyperliquid is now the largest perp dex by far. Real-time stats show consistent daily volume above all other on-chain perps venues combined. Wow. So it's dominant. It's absolutely so good. I love the chart. We go over here, all-time chart. It's steadily climbing up and to the right. You're getting higher lows and higher highs over time. It's got all the big exchanges other than Binance, because Binance has Aster, and Aster is funded by CZ and stuff, and so they're competing with Hyperliquid, so they're not going to get on Binance, it looks like. But they got they got Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, Robinhood, all this stuff. All these big exchanges, the floodgates are open for Hyperliquid. ETFs are going to be coming out as well. I love Hyperliquid as an investment. I think it's going to be really, really good going into this cycle. Next up, we got Solana. Solana's hub. Okay. $83 right here, right now. And 24-hour high, it went up to 85. The low went up to 81. So it's kind of trading in this little range in the 80s. Big headlines for Solana: Firedancer client testnet, Jump Crypto's new validator targets 1 million transactions per second. So Firedancer is their fast engine. All right, that's how they get so many different transactions. It's good. They're getting upgrades to that. And then Jupiter is still the #1 DEX aggregator, routing 50% of Solana's DEX volume through Jupiter aggregator. So Jupiter is another project, it's another token. I'm not going to buy Jupiter, but it's showing you that the projects built in the ecosystem of Solana have a lot of attention and stuff, including Pump Fund. Pump Fund continues to drive meme coin issuance, billions in cumulative fees. The bonding curve meme coin launchpad has become a primary onboarding ramp for new Solana users. Okay, so yeah, Pump Fund is solid. I mean, look at this. It's still kind of like the same layout, but they're continuously getting better. I think that Pump Fund might also be a pretty good investment going into it. Virtuals Protocol, another one that I absolutely love, because this is the #1 AI agent platform. They just launch so many every single day. Lots of adoption. 18,000 plus agents have launched on this site. And I like the chart where it's at, because this is a cheap price. Cheap, very, very affordable entry price right here, coming in at 67 cents, where it was at literally $4.43. Like, this is a huge opportunity to be getting some. So really like that. If we go check out the headlines, Virtuals crossed 17,000 agents, like I just said, and the agentic economy is at scale, growing like on base. It's crazy. So really good stuff. AIXBT remains the top alpha agent, autonomous market commentary on X. Like, so AIXBT is like an AI agent that like just engages with people on X and stuff. So, okay. Virtuals Protocol is the dominant platform on base layer 2. And so, yeah, it's the bulk of the agent activity on there. And it's a Base project, so I really like Base. It's Coinbase's chain, L2 to Ethereum. And these are kind of like the top agents, all right? So, yeah, really good stuff over here. I like that a lot. PENGU, boom. PENGU is another one that I love because this is the #1 intellectual property, IP project in crypto, because this is something that's a brand. It's something that is trying to be the Disney World of like cryptocurrency. They got their millions of followers across social media. They have GIFs and memes and everything going on. I love it. They're building out their Pudgy world thing. That's, you know, bullish because it's like a video game and it's getting a lot of people engaged. It's like a virtual world. And then the Pudgy toys hit shelves at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. So like they're just dominating. And of course, I mean, their chart is very, very bullish. If we go over here real quick, love how bottomed out it is. I mean, look at this. It's starting to peek its head up a little bit here, but I mean, compared to where it was at the high, you're looking at it at a 80% drop, 80% discount from the all-time high right here. This is super, super good. Really good one to be adding to the portfolio for sure. Next one, Aerodrome. Aerodrome is still trading in this range here. If we go over here, Aerodrome Finance chart, let's go check it out. And I'll cover the charts for the other ones too. Oh man, this is like, you cannot tell me that this thing is not like at the bottom here. Again, this is the big support level for Aerodrome, all right? It doesn't want to go below 30 cents really, you know, and now it's at 47. It's starting to peek its head up. You can see that like all of these cryptocurrencies are starting to come up a little bit. So this is the time to be buying, in my opinion. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be DCAing pretty regularly. And if you want to know exactly when I'm buying, guys, just make a free account on Vilos. I'll add you to the email list. I'll send you the alerts. And yeah, and premium members are going to get the buy alerts and sell alerts. So that's exactly what's going to happen. I like Aerodrome. It's good. It's really, really good. So X over here, let's go check it out. Jerome Powell officially delivers his final FOMC press conference as the Fed Reserve Chair. Okay, end of an era. Trump says Jerome too late Powell wants to stay at the Fed because he can't get a job anywhere else. Nobody wants him. Oh man, no, he's the funniest president ever. Iranian parliament speaker says Trump cranked oil up to 120 from the US blockade in the Strait of Hormuz. Next stop 140. Wow. Meta falls 7% after hours following earnings report. 7%. That's a pretty big drop. That's a big red candle right there. Google reports 110 billion in revenue for Q1 26, beating expectations. Google is absolutely dominating. If we go check it out, they're really a solid, like Alphabet is just killing it. If we go over here real quick, boom. Alphabet. Let's go check out their trading view. Yeah, they are really going up. Oh my gosh. Google. Dude, this is insane. Look at this chart. Wow, that is a lot of green. Really nice to see. I have Google stock in my portfolio. I got all the Mag 7, obviously. This is a big portion. I'm very happy with another all-time high from that. Okay, wait. Let's go see real quick. Let's go check out some chats over here. Okay. I'm going to just, for a second, do this so I can pin you guys up on the chat. Smash the like, guys. Let's get past 10 likes early on in the stream today. Benji, let's go, bro. Let's go. Big Dog Tooth. Good to see you, man. Viking, hey, sup? Good to see you. Thoughts on Nobody? Their team is super close to Burt, and they just became a face of L Bank. Low market cap, good listings. We'll check it out. Matt James, Aerodrome prediction this year. Let's get into that as well. All right. So let's go over here real quick. So you said Aerodrome Finance. Okay, so we're on the chart. Let's see. I'm gonna go with let's throw up our RSI up there. Okay, we're getting some bullish divergence playing out. Let's do this. Okay. We'll go with a little fib extension here. All right, so we are looking at for 2026, 2027, 28. Who knows when this is going to play out, when the bull run comes back. But realistic price predictions for Aerodrome, I could definitely see it getting up to $6. I really do. I think it can get to $6 from 47 cents. That's not that big of a market cap. If we go over here real quick, let's just do this. I think it's a solid one. Your Fibonacci extension level at the 1618, you're looking at 244. And then it can definitely scale up. If it breaks this level right here, you're in price discovery, because its all-time high was around $2.26. All right. And you can see that it kind of came there 2 times, right? 1, 2. So if it gets up there again the 3rd time, I'm pretty sure that we're probably going to make a new all-time high. And we're going to go up to that $4 to $5 mark. So you're looking at like a 9x, 10x on your money. That's what I think, like a bull case scenario. Of course, it might not do that, but I don't see it going up to like, you know, $10, $15. Like, this is realistic. Okay, this is realistic. If you're getting it at the bear market lows right here, you're looking at like an 8, 9, 10x on your money. Let's see what's the other one that. Let's see. So you got. Let me see if I can find my chat real quick. Over here, there we go. Okay. Nice website, lots of info from all over the place. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Vilos is going to get better and better every single day. 100%. This is this website right here. All right, Vilos. It's going to get better and better every single day. So let me just take a little sip here. Today's been a very odd day, a very weird day. Okay. So we're gonna hop into something else. Let me know. Okay, so wait, let me check before AKT. What was the other one that you said? So nobody. Let me see if nobody comes up. I'm not sure if this is the one that you're referring to. I think it's probably this one. $3.74 million of market cap. It looks like it's bottomed out here. It's a meme coin. Let's go check out the website if they have a clean website. To be honest, I'm not a big, I don't really see like what's so special about it. I don't see it really as like standing out. Like, it's not like a famous character or anything. Looks like it's really bottomed out though. So like, if you were to throw in like a little bit of money into it as a moonshot meme coin, yeah, like this could maybe do something. Let's see the exchanges. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So it has Kraken, KuCoin and stuff. And I'm not sure what anomaly means for Binance US. I'm not sure why Vilos is flagging that. Maybe it's, I'm not sure actually. If it's on Binance US, that's good too. But Kraken's a good exchange for it. So $3 million market cap. Its all-time high was at 9 cents and you're getting it at 0.04. So yeah, I mean, like it could have potential. Throwing a little bit of a moonshot money right there. Let me check real quick something. This is one that I'm looking at as a blue chip investment, maybe putting a little bit of money into, because Aave is one of the largest total value locked DeFi protocols on the planet, and it recently had a really big drawdown, like in a day. So it went from $118 all the way down to $88 because there was a big hack with a project that was related to this. And I think that it's starting to slowly come back up. So I think I might be adding a little bit of that in my portfolio just to let you guys know. Pump Fund as well, another one that I think is going to do pretty good. Obviously, this is one of the ones that generates some of the biggest protocol fees. If we go over here to DeFi Llama, let me just get this. Yeah, we'll go over here, bring that there. Let's see which ones actually get the most fees here. Okay, so the biggest fees, if you guys can see this, let's go fees. Yeah, you want to invest in things that actually have a lot of, let me just do this, that they're actually making money, you know, they're actually making money. Just gonna close a few other tabs over here. Okay, so Pump Fund, you can see after Tether and Circle, which are the two biggest stablecoin issuers on the planet, you got Pump Fund coming in at, like, in the last 30 days, $64 million worth of fees. Second one is Aave, 62 million. That's why I mentioned that. Third, Hyperliquid, 59 million. So I would say 1, 2, 3, all completely different from each other. Aave is staking and yield and stuff. Hyperliquid actually does have staking now too. It's kind of like going into that, which I like a lot. But Hyperliquid is a DEX, it's trading. And then you have Pump Fund, which is meme coin stuff. So you can have like all three of them in your portfolio, and I think they're all going to do really good. And they're not that expensive to where they were in the bull market. I mean, Hyperliquid hasn't really had a big drawdown. You know, this is the only one that's actually held up extremely strong. But I think that Hyperliquid could go up to $200, $250 this cycle. I really do. But this is not something that's going to be like a 10x. But for myself, like, I'm more comfortable putting in a lot of money into this because it's a safer play. You know, it's a blue chip, but it's going to give you more gains than, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum, Solana. It's going to give you a little bit more gains, and it's right here at number 14. And realistically, this is actually at number 11 because this white Bitcoin and the Leo token, they're not even good projects. Like, they're all like insider fake stuff. Like, for example, the Leo token right here, look at how manipulated this chart is when this loads. This is not a real thing because there's only 500K in volume 24 hours, and it's a $10 billion fully diluted market cap. That's because 96% of it is held by the team. So like, that shouldn't even be up there. So yeah, I like Hyperliquid a lot right there. Boom. You got to get that one on the stars. Solana. Okay. And then I think that SWE actually has a lot of potential as well. I've been looking at it, but the thing is with this, there's still a lot of dilution to go. You're looking at a $9 billion fully diluted and only a $3.5 billion market cap. So 4 billion out of the 10 billion are circulating. So there's a lot of unlocks coming for that. It's a good project, but I don't need it because it's so big in market cap that it's like the same kind of price in market cap as these ones. So you don't need to have all of these in your portfolio. I would say the best ones are Solana, Hyperliquid, up there in the blue chips. And then you got to have Bittensor. You got to have Bittensor in your portfolio because the AI niche in crypto is going to be huge this cycle. I mean, it's going to be so big. And this is like the leader, the blue chip in it. And it's got such a good, strong chart. So really like that a lot. Okay. Let's go, big dog tooth. Let's go. I'm going to join your Vilos, bro. Let's go. Absolutely. You can join it for free for 7 days. Trial premium. Set up your portfolio, your watch list, your trades, stuff like that. Engage in the community. And then it's just $19 a month for the cycle. For the whole cycle. You get grandfathered in at the $19 mark. That's really good. If we go over here to, actually, I'm on my admin account, so I can't. I think that you guys, if you guys go join premium, yeah, all of the different benefits come up. It'll show you everything that you can get with this. Let's go check out gold real quick. All right, so we're at $4,572. Had a little bit of a drawdown. Let's check this out. Let's go over here. Let's go to gold. Gold is coming back down a little bit. All right. So it's still in a little bit of a downtrend here. But I'm looking at like maybe like a breakout with gold. You guys can see this trend line here too. Like with gold, it hit the upward sloping trend line here. You can maybe see it come back down. That would probably be around like 4,300, and then you start seeing the bounce back up because they're going to be printing money, especially with the new Fed chair Warsh coming in. It's going to be bullish. But let's go check out Bitcoin real quick. Okay. Let's do this. This was something that I was doing in last night's stream. Let's do that. So we have a little bit of a red candle printing today. Okay, we came back down from, let's see, this is the week chart. Let's go back on a lower time frame here. Let's go on the daily. Daily chart, yeah, we've been trading between 76 and 75 today. So haven't moved too much. Not too much there, but see, this is the thing that I need to be honest with you guys. This is the thing that kind of worries me a little bit, is you're seeing this play out here, and this is kind of a bearish pattern, all right? Because you know, when we break out of this triangle, we might go back down. So you've already seen this play out multiple other times here, like boom, example A right there as well. Let's do this. Boom, right there as well. And this is what I don't like as well. You're kind of seeing bearish divergence happening. The RSI over here is going downwards. So bearish divergence with Bitcoin, you could definitely see it come back down. Ideally, what you want is for it to hit the RSI to hit this trend line upwards, and then to bounce off of it and go back up. So if you start seeing this, let's say the purple line right here in the RSI, if you see it start bouncing back up, then it's super bullish, and Bitcoin's probably going to break through that $80,000 resistance mark. But if you see this break here, break this yellow line, man, it's probably going to trade back down towards the $70,000 mark. So I'm watching this super closely, but I don't really care that much, because whether it takes Bitcoin a couple more months to start really going back up, the altcoins have already bottomed out. I mean, like, they cannot really go that much lower. You're seeing all of this stuff has hit 95% drawdowns. So you're just going to get better prices to DCA into this stuff if we go lower. And I'm just building up my portfolio now. I'm researching every single day, and I'm going to be DCing every single Monday in the month of May. If you guys want to know exactly when I buy, then go join Buy Low. So I'll add you to the email list, and I'll send you guys my alerts. That's for premium members. So let's go back over here. Rachel, good to see you. Glad to hear your input and analysis. It helps. Thank you. Do you think Eliza OS, old A16Z, will wake up? Looks dead. Listing's good though. It has uphold. I will go check it out. Let's go. A16Z. So let's go do this. Eliza. Okay, wait, let's go to categories. Let's see if I can find it. Maybe they changed their ticker name. We're gonna go to artificial intelligence. Okay. What market cap is it at? Let me go trading view. A16Z. Am I just not typing it in correctly? Oh, AI16Z. My bad. There we go, I found it. Okay, so this is at, let's see the bottom chart. Oh my gosh, dude, this is crazy. Are they still doing this token, or did they migrate into a brand new token and ticker? Okay, this must have definitely migrated. Hold on a second, let's do. Is it this one? No, this one looks not like the right one either. Let me know up in the chat. I'm not too familiar with it. Eliza OS, 5 mil market cap. Yeah, so this is the one that you're talking about. I don't know, man. I mean, like, this thing did come back down big time. This went from 0.01 all the way to 0.00062. So I would stay away from it. It looks like it's a scam. Like, it looks like it's not going to do very good. So, and especially if they migrated, like, no, like that, if they abandoned their original, like, that's not good. Crunk, good to see you, man. I hope this is the sell in May. Yeah, sell May, walk away. That's the famous thing in crypto. Big dog to do an airdrop, but they started to let you win their coins on their app. You're talking about, look at Plinks on base. It's not coming up. Might be too big, too little market cap right now. Let me know up in the chat real quick. Let's see what's trending. So trending real quick, I got Solana. What's AI? Jensen AI. Let's see the full-time chart here. Okay, this is like a brand new one. Let's see what this is. I like the ticker AI. I mean, that's pretty clean. Okay, I like the website. The network for machine intelligence. The economy aggregates human knowledge into prices. Neural networks aggregate patterns from data into predictions. Okay, let me just see what this is though. Okay. Jensen, the network for machine intelligence. It's an open infrastructure layer for AI. It provides the foundational infrastructure AI needs to operate at scale, including compute, data, and information exchange by enabling. Okay, so it's a smart contract platform. Interesting. And it's oh, yeah, see, that's the thing, right? I shouldn't even have wasted your guys' time with this. It's a 540 million FDV with a 71 mil MC. So that's just a lot of token unlocks. It does have Kraken though, but that's interesting. I'll research that a little bit. So it's trending. You got Plume trending as well. Let's check out Plume. Plume is like an RWA project. Wow, this thing is absolutely bottomed out. This thing is a 117 FDV, 65 MC, 6 out of 10 circulating. So you got still a lot. It's got Binance, Coinbase. Let me see their website. Do they look good? Real quick. I'm gonna plug that laptop in before it dies. There we go. RWAs, yeah. I mean, I'm not that bullish on RWAs. I'm just gonna be focusing on artificial intelligence cryptos and some meme coins. And obviously my blue chips, which is like Hyperliquid, Solana, Bittensor. And man, like I'm really happy with my picks. And then I'll include maybe Pump Fund in there as well. Like, but if you guys want to know exactly the little market caps and the gambles that I take and all this stuff, like the swing trades, then definitely sign up. Like, I will let you guys know because I'm going to be doing that stuff. Let's do this. What's this? Pharaohs, 76 cents. Is this another brand new one? Yep, it's another new one. A lot of new projects coming out. Yeah, this is another one where it's just too big. You know what? I'm gonna be adding token unlocks to Vilos. I'm gonna be adding team data, the funders, all that stuff. I'll be adding that tonight. Tonight, every single one of these cryptocurrencies There's going to be a section on the asset detail page where you see exactly when these token unlocks are happening. I'll code that all in tonight because that's going to be very useful information to know. All right, let's go back over here. That's the address. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. I think that I covered basically everything. So let me real quick. I think that's most of it. We're at 35 minutes of streaming. Yeah, I just want to hop on here, just talk a little bit about the markets, what's going on. We got Tau coming in at 251. 7.23 million Tau is staked. Okay. And that's 66% of circulating supply. Each subnet has its own A token market. All right. Bittensor is a decentralized market for machine intelligence. Every subnet is its own AI economy. That's what I like about it a lot. That is what I like about it. If we go over here, let's get rid of that. I'm liking this chart. I'm really thinking this is going to be bullish. Let's do this. Hyperliquid. Looking good. All right. Gold. This is the only thing though, guys, is like I'm really thinking that maybe Bitcoin gets rejected off of 80K and then boom, starts going back down again. So just be careful. We're approaching that point. I think it's possible it's going to happen. All right. Solana's at 83. Virtual hub. Yep. I'm just going to keep building. Keep building. This is the bear market, guys. I'm going to keep building every single day. Join Bilos. Make sure that you guys sign up for the free account. You'll get a newsletter with the biggest updates. And if you guys want to know exactly when I buy, when I sell, when I make changes to my portfolio, join Premium. And we'll be having a ball up in the community once all of the things are fully on here. In the next few days, I would say, the app on the App Store is coming out. So it's going to be a free download and like, it's going to be dope. You can just open it up on your home screen and it's going to be there. Just like a CoinMarketCap, but just way better. No big deal. PENGU looking good. 009. That was the best performer. I mean, it's done really good. If we go over here, it's already up 58% right now. 58% from the low. And I did buy a little bit. AeroHub, 46 cents, right? Arrow, like I said earlier, I'm thinking this cycle it goes up between 378 and 594. That's just realistic. Okay. All my social links are in the description if you guys want to follow me over there, and if you want to join Bilos, that's there for free. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Have a good night.